Hi everyone, just wanted to throw out a video to let you know what we're up to today. Just Connie and I chasing today. Josh was unable to make it, but hey, you know what, we both sound exactly the same, so just close your eyes and you can pretend it's him. But right now, Connie and I are up the intersection Interstate 80, Interstate 79 in northwestern Pennsylvania. We got an all hazards going, looking like there's going to be a tornado watch issued for this area real soon. We have some storms firing just to our north we're keeping an eye on, but we also have some storms off to the west pretty far that are already tornado warned. So we're trying to decide which way to go, being a little bit patient to see what things are going to do. But we're going to be going live real short on our YouTube channel, so make sure to get on there, subscribe, and hit the notifications button so that you know when we're on there. Right now the sky's looking pretty good, as you can see. We got some nice big puffy cumulus clouds. It's humid, hot. All the ingredients are here. Got some decent wind here at ground level and some really fast winds up in the mid-level that'll put that spin on those storms and hopefully get us a tornado today. So keep watching for us. Like I said, we'll be going live here real shortly on YouTube. Catch us there for the rest of the chase, and we'll hope to post some more stuff in a little bit. Thank you. Okie dokie. Bye.
Yes, no?
I mean, it's open. We can see some stuff. Where does this go, I wonder?
Follow County Road 26.
This goes straight east and then starts to go south. Look at that motion.
Oh, I know.
I wonder where if this opens up at all over here a little bit.
There was a road that went up through the cemetery, but I don't know.
It looks like it goes down into a valley. Like,
I know, but it goes up on the other side.
Oh, well,
it might actually come out up
here. Yeah, it does. It's all trees, though, from here on out. It opens up a little bit just past this trucking company, or right at, just a little bit. Probably right by that antenna.
That's scary.
Or the township building, or whatever that is. But then that's it. Like, once... then it's down in a valley and all trees. I mean, we could follow it to get... It goes east. Straight east. And then there is some areas that open up. Want to just keep following this?
I mean, we're going to be getting into...
Look at that. Look right in front of us.
Look up. Oh, my God.
Look at that.
Do you guys see it?
We got ourselves a...
Oh, too much, too much.
That is a tornado.
Right there. Tornado on the ground. Right behind that telephone pole. Can we maybe see through this cut?
Yeah, maybe.
It dissipated. Maybe right past. We had a little spin up, little bird fart tornado. Right here, right here.
May pull over on the left a little bit here, just while it's still open.
Can't see it.
I don't,
right behind these trees.
I'm gonna pull up a little bit further here in a second.
See all this rotation? Everything is rotating right in there. But we had a little spin up on the ground.
It had to be on the ground. I'm gonna go around where I can see up around the corner here.
Do you want to call the National Weather Service?
Well, it didn't do much more. If it kept on going.
Yeah, but it still is behind these trees.
Put a rotating wall cloud in. Alright, I gotta watch where I'm driving here. Is my biggest thing.
Would be right in front of us.
Maybe, or right above us, right up there. Maybe.
Is that a funnel coming down? Oh, look. Look at the motion.
Yeah, I know. That's what
Straight
I'm
up.
looking. Do I want to keep going?
I don't want to go too much further. Maybe pull off on the left. There's another road up here with a stop sign.
We caught a little.
Maybe pull off here. You can see.
A decent view.
Look at that rotation, guys.
I say we'll just keep on following this, right?
Look at that rotating right there.
It's trying. There's really not even anything showing up either.
Wow, look at that motion. I'll zoom back out.